Welcome to the all new episode of how I edit my videos on Instagram, IGTV, and also on my YouTube channel. So today's topic is how to color grade your footage. But did you know that color grading is one of the most important aspect of filmmaking? आज मैं दिखाऊंगा कि मैं ये footage को ऐसे में कैसे लेके जाता हूँ. It's pretty amazing and I'm damn sure you're gonna enjoy it. So just stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, so this is my particular timeline. I normally edit most of my videos on Premiere Pro because it's convenient for me and मुझे उसमें सब जो चाहिए वो सब मिल जाता है. So if you can see, I have the particular footage over here. So right now I'll just drag and drop the footage. So this is my timeline. If you can see here is the footage of the cat sitting somewhere outside my house. Somewhere, I just cannot say it, but somewhere. So there it is. So before adding anything, first I'll take a adjustment layer. Right click, adjustment layer. There it is. Tap tap, drag and drop. Open it up, and this is my adjustment layer. So basically, whenever I apply any effect or colors I want to, I always use an adjustment layer. It's very important so that once I do something over here, if I did this something and I don't want it, I don't have to go to the footage and delete it. I can just delete this adjustment layer and it is completely fine. Nothing has happened to my footage. So from editing you have to switch to colors over here like I did just now, and there you will have a lumetric color. So lumetric color is basically जिसमें तुम्हें सब चीज़ मिल जाएगा तुम्हारे कलर्स के साथ खेलने के लिए. It is one of the flexible color effect that you can use in Premiere Pro or in most of the softwares, even in I think it is in Final Cut Pro. So for this footage I don't think so I'm going to use basic colors or creative. I'm just straightly going to the curves. Come down over here. First I'll play with UV saturation, then use the picker tool, pick the reddish color and just take it down so that I will have that grayish color, the darkish feel in this particular video. And then go a little bit more down, Luma versus saturation. I'll pick a color on her body and just boost it up a little bit. If you can see there, I'm having a little bit of the yellowish color on her body because मेरे को उसको highlight करना है. I wanna just I need all the focus on her, to be honest. That's it, nothing else. Then saturation, saturation, go to the heights and boost it. Like instant difference. If you can see over here, it looks amazing, to be honest. And अगर पूरा तुम लोग देखोगे यहाँ से तो boom. Like बस ये तीन चीज़ करने से I'm getting so much difference in this footage. And then again Command C and Command V for copy the adjustment layer or any of the layers. Then delete the effect control that you had on that. Go to the curves again, then click on the greenish color of her eyes. Now this is okay. There we have it. Now boost it up by a bunch maybe. I just like to just take it up over there. Yeah, this looks fine. Her eyes are getting highlighted, and then come down over here, select the green on her eyes, and there I have it. So this is the first thing done color correction में. Now go to the editing again, right click, new items and get a color map. So पहले जो मैंने फॉर्मेट में इसको एडिट किया था it was way complicated और बहुत लोगों को समझ नहीं आता, तो इसलिए मैं इसमें कर रहा हूँ अभी. टेक अ कलर मैट इज़ बेसिकली अ कलर पेपर kind of thing. You can just take any color you want. I need a black color, so I'll take black. Okay. Drag it above the clip, then click on color matte, go to the effect control, opacity, select on the box. So वो automatically वो एक box shape में आ जाएगा वहाँ पे. Good. Make your comp size 10. Drag it down over here और ये दो सिलेक्ट करके यहाँ पे ड्रैग कर दो और ये दो सिलेक्ट करके यहाँ पे ड्रैग कर दो. नाउ फिट इट बैक. और फिर ये करने के बाद जस्ट मास्क फेदर एक करके है वहाँ पे ऑप्शन, तुम लोग just feather it out by 400 something, and you are going to get this particular gradient effect over here. So this is the before, this is the after, this is the before, this is the after, this is the before, this is the after. That's it. And just Command C and Command V it, then drag it up on the clip and just go to the motions of the video and rotations 180, flip it, and there you have it. That's your clip, to be honest, and it's done. And after completing the whole footage, right click and nest it. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you all enjoyed, make sure to drop a like, comment what you guys want to see next, and till then stay tuned, and I'll keep meeting you in this particular formats. There are more 5 videos coming out soon, so stay tuned for that. Till then, bye bye.